So finally, you're sold. You understand the need for cyber insurance. The next step now is perhaps that you want to purchase it or find out more. But you're thinking now, it sounds a little bit complicated. How do you go about that? Well, actually, it's probably simpler than you think. And certainly here at InsuranceMarket.ae, we're very happy to help you with it. So first of all, let's think about eligibility. So are you suitable as a client to purchase a cyber insurance policy? So first of all, let me reassure you that anybody can apply for cyber insurance, even individuals. I've talked a lot about a business context because primarily that's the main risk, but obviously as an individual you can consider cyber as well. Anyone can apply, as I mentioned, so you could be an individual, a small business, or a larger organisation. Insurers generally ask a suite of questions, and these will be based around basic security and housekeeping measures. So I mentioned in my previous snippet about risk management. So they'll want to understand how careful are you in protecting your business and how exposed you are to these kind of events. The kind of questions they'll ask you are, do you have a commercial firewall and antivirus software installed, and not the kind of standard home editions that you might have? That's because these basic security protections aren't necessarily sophisticated enough to cover the needs of the modern business attack. Proof of backup of data every 7 days or less. And that's a good housekeeping practice anyway. You should always make sure that you've got backups, and where possible, you should look to store these backups off-site somewhere. You shouldn't basically put everything in the same target location. You should look to have backup services on another cloud service perhaps. If you've actually got documents, for example, that support your data, you should look to have them stored off-site. You'll need to consider these factors, and you'll need to show insurers you're committed to putting protections in place if you don't have them already. Failure to do so would invalidate any future claims. And even if you choose not to take out the insurance, it's very wise to have these kind of measures anyway.